Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedy.
Hello my friends, it's NGWorld. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you Vaseline and starch will make you 16-year-old girl, and this magical remedy remove wrinkles and fine lines naturally. With just 3 ingredients you can achieve the best results. All you need to do is apply it before you sleep and you will be amazed with the result. In the next morning you will notice that your skin getting more tight and you will get rid of sagging skin naturally. This magical remedy tight the skin and get it firm naturally without any side effects, with all natural ingredients. Let's start with this simple remedy. The first ingredient we need to add is half teaspoon of starch, corn starch or corn flour. Add half teaspoon. Then we need to add on it around 20 ml of water, well filtered water. Here I'm using rose water. You can use well filtered water or rose water. Here I'm using the rose water. It just will make the remedy smell very nice. Now mix very well. And place it into a microwave oven for around 10 seconds. Keep mixing and put it again for another 10 seconds, and once you will get it out, it will be thick like so. You will find it got a cream paste like that, my friends. Now we need to add on it 1 capsule of vitamin E, and here I'm using 1000 milligram vitamin E. You can use any vitamin E available for you. Add 1 capsule of vitamin E. Cut the capsule like so. And add the vitamin E. Then my friends, we need to add half teaspoon of Vaseline, and Vaseline is super effective in getting rid of wrinkles and fine lines. We need to add half teaspoon of Vaseline like so. Now we need to mix well all the ingredients until they combine and get very well mixed. Mix very well until all the ingredients combine very well and everything get mixed together. This is very important step, my friends. After mixing very well and combining all the ingredients together, our magical cream is ready. This cream you can store it for as long as you want. It's not gonna go bad or anything. Apply it like so on your skin before you sleep. Apply generous amount and massage your skin with it. As you can tell, it gives a natural glow. Once your skin will absorb the ingredients, you will go to sleep. In the next morning you will notice that your fine lines and the wrinkles disappeared and vanished completely. Keep using it every night before you sleep to achieve the best results. Any wrinkles you do have around eyes, around mouth, any wrinkles you do have, it will disappear and the fine lines will be gone away naturally. My friends, the result will amaze you. It is super effective remedy.
So that was it guys today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.